Hello, everybody. It's Mr. Odom, and we are in section 6.4. We're going to work out some problems. Make sure you got all these little goodies up here so you can take notes, and you'll need a calculator. The learning target for this video is I can use the percent equation to solve percent problems. So let's do that. So the directions in this section say write and solve an equation. When you see that in the directions, that means you need to use the percent equation or percent equation. All right. There it is, and let's just use it. So I wrote it down. Every time I like to work out a problem and there's a formula, that's the first step. I write the formula down. And then I need to know what is A, what is P, what is W. In this problem, the 20%, that's your percentage. And remember, in the percent equation, you write your percentage as a fraction or a decimal. And I think I've told you my preference is just to write them as decimals. Then I just jump on my calculator. Remember, the word of, the whole is always near the word of. And then by the word is, that's the part. So in problem 10, we're looking for the part. So I have the percent written as a decimal and the whole, I multiply them together, and I get the part. Number 12, 35%. That's got to be my percent. I write that as a decimal of what number? So this has to be my whole. That's what I'm looking for. Is 35. That's the part. Okay. So I write my problem down, and I need to divide both sides by 0.35. And there's canceling that goes on there, and I have 35 divided by 0.35, which gives me 100. Okay, so 35% of 100 is 35. That should make sense. All right, number 14 and 16. Again, I start with the formula, and 29 is what percent of, so here by the word is, that's my part. What percent? So I'm looking for P in these problems of 20. So 20 is my whole. All right. And I'm looking for the percent. So I fill in the things I have. 29 equals P times 20. I divide both sides by 20 so that I can get the variable P by itself. In my calculator, I put 29 divided by 20. I get 1.45. But my answer should be written as a percentage because I'm looking for where it says what percent. So the problem is asking me to tell them what the percent is. So I just did. So leave me alone. It's 145%. All right. Number 16. What percent? So I'm looking for the percent again of 300. Remember, the whole is by the word of, and then I have is 51. So that's my part. Okay. So you go in here, you plug in the numbers. 51 equals P times 300. Divide both sides by 300. That way I can cancel there. And I get P equals 0.17, but I have to write that as a percent. Okay. So there's 4 problems for you. That was it. I got nothing else for that one. Hope you're having a great day. I'm out.